Hey everybody, this is Bethany from Sweepstakes Diva. Today I'm reviewing these great, these are bunion pad and spacer kit. These are a great little product. This is Frederick's Original, Dr. Frederick's Original. These are a great little product. You can use these if you have bunions. My feet have been giving me a lot of issues here lately. These are really soft silicone gel spacers. And they're really stretchy, so you can fit them around any size toes, but they feel great. They feel really good on your toes. You can see you get 8 pieces, so you get 2 of each of these different spacers, and they each kind of do a different thing. As you can see though, there's instructions on how to use them on the back. And there's different ways you can use them depending on what your need is. So this set really has everything you need if you have bunions and need spacers. So this is a great little set that you can get and have everything you could possibly need. Check out my full review and where you can purchase at sweepstakesdiva.com.